It's incredible. I couldn't come to Bogota without coming to Paulo Camal Market. This is where all the farmers from outside Bogota bring all their incredible ingredients, and it's where the chefs and the restaurateurs come to get their ingredients for the restaurants. And I'm going to meet up with one of those chefs who's going to show me around. Let's go check it out. So this is the first food that they give to children in Colombia. And it's really delicate, look at that. It's like soft and gentle. Yeah. You want some? Sweet chili. Hot?
No hot.
Sweet. You're telling the truth, Eduardo.
Sure.
I hope so. It's nice. Subtle. Delicious. It's literally like it's tickling on the back where I was eating it. It's like a little gentle electricity. It's incredible. Takes a bit of time to be released. Wow. Answer the lemon. Colombia's got this really rich history of growing, roasting and exporting coffee all around the world. Picked these cherries from 2 different bushes, so it's actually quite sweet and lovely. And that's the beans. How many bags is that?
17.
17? It's unbelievable. You see all the things that are involved. About sustainability, allowing them to use their means to change their life and to sustain their life. And this is the importance about provenance. You should know where your food and your drink comes from. See, this one agrees, don't you?